Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Microsoft account you'll use and why. It ties your license and cloud files. Once done, open PowerPoint and tap Sign in the top right. This begins authentication. Make sure your device has an active internet connection and correct time zone because tokens and multi-factor prompts rely on accurate time. If you use a work or school account, prepare any security code or secondary device now so the next step goes smoothly. You enter your email and password. If PowerPoint asks, explicitly pick work or school versus personal so the right tenant loads. Next, complete multi-factor authentication. Approve the push notification, type the 6-digit code, or use the Authenticator app. This step secures your session. When prompted to grant permissions, accept OneDrive and profile access because that enables file autosave and collaboration. Once authenticated, PowerPoint links your license and clouds. You finish by verifying your account name appears in PowerPoint's top right corner, and that office shows an active license. This confirms successful sign-in. If sign-in fails, sign out fully, clear cached credentials in Windows Credential Manager or Keychain, then restart PowerPoint and retry. This resolves most token conflicts. If problems persist, make sure you can sign in at account. Microsoft. Com to isolate the app. Finally, escalate to your IT admin or Microsoft support for tenant, licensing, or conditional access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.